potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, we will postpone the test to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, we will activate the signal only for the following counties, which are within our broadcast reach: Bell, Breathitt, Clay, Floyd, Harlan, Jackson, Knox, Lawrence, Lee, Leslie, Letcher, Martin, Owsley, Perry, and Pike counties. In Tennessee, Claiborne County. In West Virginia, Wayne and Mingo counties. In Virginia, Buchanan, Dickinson, Lee, and Wise counties. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's radio public warning alarm. We will now return to recorded programming.
Switch on a second.
From 0 inches to around 1 3/4 inches during the last 24 hours. The highest precipitation total was estimated from radar across a small portion of Rockcastle County.
Oh yeah. That one doesn't make a sound. Nope.
This is the National Weather Service office in Jackson, Kentucky. We have just activated the public warning alarm tone as a test of our weather radio station's warning alarm system. This is only a test. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, we will postpone the test to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible,
that is a real
activate the
person
signal
talking.
only for the following counties, which are within our broadcast reach: Adair, Casey, Clinton, Greene, Knox, Laurel, Lincoln, Marion, McCreary, Metcalfe, Pulaski, Rockcastle, Russell, Taylor, Wayne, and Whitley counties. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's radio public warning alarm. We will now return to recorded programming.
And now the latest weather synopsis. Another day of isolated to scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms is on tap. Temperatures will be a bit cooler due to cloud cover in the mid-70s to low 80s, but conditions will remain fairly humid. A strong upper-level low-pressure system will begin to near the state starting tomorrow. This will bring more widespread showers and thunderstorms during the daytime hours both Thursday and especially Friday.
That's not all yet. So, make this quick. Here in my room. I got this one here that went off as well.
A chance of showers and
Yeah, I'm gonna start putting a couple here in my room. So I may put 2 in my room here too. Take care, everyone.